is where grown men get raped for $10 a week the rest of your life.
So you're the rapist?
Yeah, that's me. Absolutely.
That was unpleasant to my manhood for sure. Getting raped by another grown man. Not cool. We gonna do like an intro or what? Welcome back to the Jessie's Performance channel, everybody. As we all know, Corona-19 has really fucked us in the arse. But we've been busy as hell at Jessie's Performance. We did not skip a beat. We kept the doors open. We kept our guys working. I'm trying to get these beautiful cars out and on the road again. I think what we'll do today is give you guys a little rundown of what we have been doing. Just that way you guys, I don't know, just know what the fuck we did during, you know, COVID-19 shutdown. Right? So this is a customer's car that we've had on other videos. During Corona, we did a complete rewire of the whole car. It came in with a bunch of shitty wiring. Terrible wiring job. Fuel tank caught on fire, actually, is how bad the wiring was. We rewired the whole car, and then we actually took out the OEM computer and we put a Holley Terminator X Max in there. It works pretty damn good. Set the tune and fire it and go. It works really well. Yeah, I guess we'll just see what the guys are working on and what they've got done.
What's up? This is a 1989 Caprice Classic. We did a 5.3 with the 4L60 swap on it. My favorite part about this build is all the OEM equipment we were able to graft onto this thing. This is the original AC compressor, original AC lines, original cooling fans. This thing looks like it came brand new with this freaking motor in it, and it absolutely did not. It's really loud. Billy hooked it up with the exhaust. It's fun as shit. I want one just like it now. This is the definition of a shitbox, guys. This is a square body style Chevrolet, and it's got the color to say shitbox. Runs, drives, and screams like a genuine shitbox. I'm fucking pumped.
I like how you pronounce genuine.
Genuine, yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Let's fire it up.
Are the keys in it?
Hell to the no. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Real budget build, kind of a junkyard motor. We don't usually do these, but this guy was a really nice guy and persuaded me into it, so we did it, and yeah.
Did he persuade you with a snap-on wrench?
No, not the snap-on persuasion.
Yeah.
No. Fire it up, Eric. Let the people hear it breathe.
First crank. We're dead.
Dead battery?
Yeah, we're dead.
No fucking way.
Yeah, genuine
I
shitbox.
think the battery's just loose, bud.
It's a brand new battery. It shouldn't be dead.
Yeah.
Oh, let me turn the key off.
There she goes.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Now we fire.
Shitbox.
I'm happy about it.
Yeah. Happiness happening during COVID-19, right? That's good. So.
Not dead.
It's Billy. Say hi, Billy.
Bitches!
All right. Well, that happened. You want to talk about this one?
Yeah, I want to talk about this one.
Okay. You just missed the owner. He just left.
Oh, I was hoping we would get him in the video. It's the guy that lost his steering wheel.
Oh yeah, with the other
one.
the farm truck version of this.
Yeah.
This is Rick's truck. I think we featured it in another video when we were doing some fab work on it. We got it pretty well assembled. It came in with the used Holley unit and the used Holley harness, and it turns out both of those were pieces of shit. When you live on a farm, don't store your Holley components in a tub out in the rain. It's not good for them.
Pro tip.
Yep. So now we got 408 Frankenstein heads, custom Thompson cam. We did all the trick stuff. It's got Holley valve covers, hidden coil packs, twin 6871 comp turbos. It's got a really nice 3-inch stainless steel exhaust that me and Billy fabbed up. Basically, me and Billy have been tag teaming all the fab work lately.
Corona.
Whoa, that was gross! You should have got that on camera. Oh my god.
My bad, bro.
He literally just put boogers all over everything.
I always sneezed and was like, Corona.
Dude, that was so bad.
Oh, fuck, my bad.
And he stayed in quarantine.
I just see out of the corner of my eye, just like snot, and then he comes back.
Snot rocket.
Yeah, that was
Nice.
gross.
Where were we? We were talking about the exhaust. Oh yeah, me and Billy have been tag teaming all the fab work. He's been doing the cutting, I've been doing the welding. It's worked out really well. I've been able to knock some shit out really fast. But Billy has been getting behind the mask on some things, and he's progressing, which makes me happy because less work I have to do. So more Mountain Dew drinking happening.
Yeah, I welded the blow-off valve.
That's the only thing Billy wanted to put in there.
Yeah, see the part you can't see? That's what he welded.
Yeah,
Did you do
just
the
in
catch
case it
can
was
too?
fucked up.
Did you
Oh
do the
yeah, the catch cans aren't on right now.
No, he did the catch cans, yeah.
Yeah,
But,
they're just little boxes.
so yeah, we're swapping out the harness. We're putting a new Holley Terminator X Max in here. Then it should fire later today.
Cool.
Hopefully.
And then I got all the panels on here.
No, so you gotta start it right. Be like, Jesse had me make these really killer fucking panels. You gotta say something like that.
These really sick filler panels, bud.
There you go.
No, yeah, it took some time. That was a learning experience for sure.
This piece is actually 3 pieces that we TIG welded together and body worked. Yeah.
This is a fun fact about this truck too. Is normally when you run exhaust inside the frame rail. Well, we didn't have any room, so we ran it on the outside of the frame rail. If you come and look right here, you can kind of see it. It runs down through there.
Hell no, make his ass get on the ground.
Yeah, crawl up under there. You can see it.
Get all up in there.
When you look under here, you see the muffler right here. So we ran the exhaust all the way on the outside of the frame, tucked it up underneath the body, and then it just jumps out the back right here.
Say it again. Just dumps out the back.
Yep, right here.
Repeat what you said.
It dumps out the back, Gabe. No, so we normally don't mess around with guys that don't work on LSs. We had to make an exception.
Hold on, time out. We don't mess around with guys, all right? Billy's the only one that messes around with guys.
I know about LS motors when you started.
I did though, sort of. Anyways, well this guy's a Mopar guy. We made an exception.
Mopar new car.
You fucked
Gabe,
that
you're
all
about
up.
to get punched.
You fucked that all up.
we
Here,
gonna
let's just
restart?
walk.
Yeah, we
let's
can
just walk.
restart, sorry.
All right. So check
trying to
this.
make a joke.
Check this out. With the Corona, obviously came some unemployment and laid off workers. So we brought on Matt. He's kind of just been a friend, and he's attended a couple dyno days, and he has a Hemi-powered 4-door sleeper, right?
What's your dream car, Matt?
This car.
ATSV.
Probably a badass El Camino.
Like I was even close to an ATSV.
Say first before we piss off all the Mopar guys, this car started off as a V6, so don't get butt hurt. So we got a 383
Yep.
LS swap, twin turbo, and the turbos are set up so your headlights.
Oh yeah, the
Take a
inner
look at this.
headlights. Check it out.
Right there, right there. We repurposed the factory radiator, set up all the cooling lines and everything. The intake is getting cut up right now, getting shortened just a hair. Basically, you know, it's gonna come around here through the intercooler. It's gonna be a split intercooler, and it'll come up through the hood and into the intake on both sides. We had to do a little bit of shortening and straightening because they kind of go down and be in our power steering pump and whatnot.
So this intake actually has a little bit of history here at Jessie's Performance. Last year I bought it to put on my Trans Am. It didn't fit. Big surprise, right? So I took and I was like, well fuck it, I'm gonna cut it up and I'm gonna make it fit. And I cut it and cut it and cut it and cut it to make it fit, and it still didn't fit. And at that point in time I was like, I'm not cutting up my subframe to make an intake manifold fit. I did this project and I was like, well, we'll just put it on the Demon car. Well, I ended up cutting up the subframe on my car anyway, so I wasted a whole bunch of time for no reason. And then here we are, butchering up the intake some more. Like you said, we had to take some angle out of it to make all the accessories fit, and so now we'll weld the flanges back on when we're done.
Cool.
Yeah. Next. We got a lot of progress made on our 16 Mustang twin turbo project. It's got a 376 cubic inch forged motor, TR6060 out of a 2010 Camaro, twin disc clutch. It's running Holley Terminator X Max, and we put these 7266 turbos. Excuse me, I had a dry mouth there. It's their VS Racing Unit twins on the front here. So
there.
yeah, they're hidden.
Yeah.
The Ford guys won't see it coming. But actually you can see them through the grill, so it's kind of a cheater. But anyways, we're about to do the up pipes on this here, get the radiator mounted. It's gonna have a custom 6-inch Belcore intercooler. That's gonna be pretty rad.
Cool.
So I'm looking forward to this. Oh, and we added this $1,800 carbon fiber hood. I don't know why the hell anybody would want to pay that much for a goddamn hood when his other hood was fine, but it's slicker than cum on a gold tooth.
Hashtag stimulus check.
Yeah,
Deep red, man.
I think he's actually unemployed now.
Oh.
Hashtag unemployment check.
Yeah, right, there you go. I like it. I'll let Billy tell you guys what he's been doing to this thing, because it's been kind of a side project for him. I'll let him take the reins on it.
So what we have right here, the good old German Mercedes. It was a diesel, now it's just a turbo. Oh yeah, so this is another new guy we hired. His name is Squirrel, Squirrely Dan.
Really damn.
Some people will get that. If you get that, comment under the video. Anyways, so what we have right here is a Mercedes. It's a 300D. It's a guy down the road. He works down at the paddock. We've been helping him out with this swap. It's got a just junkyard 5.3 in it. Then it has a CDO9, or a CDO1 actually, Nissan transmission. It has the adapter plate, and then it still has the stock Mercedes rear end and all that stuff, so that stuff's gonna break. And then we got big old fancy turbo, same like the Challenger through the headlight. It's pretty cool. Working on the turbo kit right now. The original reason that this thing came was to get the steering hooked up. We tried many different ways, and then finally we just said fuck it, cut it all up and put a Mustang 2 on it. So if you look through here, I had to make my own frame. I had to cut the factory frame up, make my own frame, and then build the Mustang 2 off of that. Hook the steering up, all that. That was a whole challenge in and of itself. That's about the gist of this thing.
That's about all I got to say about that. That was my best Forrest Gump thing I had, bro.
Yeah,
You said last like a box of chocolates?
Life is like a box of chocolates. I sound like almost Texan in that one.
It's short for fat people.
He's only talking about himself. It's no big deal. He's a large. Check it out. This has been dubbed the Mustang truck. It's the 71 Ford F100. I'm building for my friend Jeremy. We've talked about it a bunch. We did a little clip on the frame, I believe. Well, now we're putting it together. And holy shit, is this thing cool. I don't know if he's gonna watch this or not, but this is actually an LS turbo header that I cut up to fit a Coyote flange.
Nice.
Yeah. Recycling, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
You know, basically it's a Roush crate motor, T56 Magnum. It's gonna get twin turbos, custom radiator support, custom inner fenders, custom firewall. I mean, it's a badass build. It's got giant wheel woods, the biggest ones they make. I mean, it's crazy. Billy, why don't you come talk with me about this cab over?
My redneck specialties right here. We've done videos on this.
We've done videos on this.
Well, it's almost there.
It's almost there. Me and Billy have been pumping the iron on this bitch. We got the frame all finished, coated, cherry. We got the motor finally in. It's all on final assembly. The motor's painted, tranny's painted, turbo kit's finished. We're working on the wiring. The exhaust is all finished. 4-inch stainless steel exhaust, super nice. You know, we did the rear mount intercooler on this. We're building the piping for that now. We got the radiator mounted. We got the fans mounted. I mean, we got the accessories on. It's got a Trick Holly AC bracket. I mean, it is just piles and piles and piles of just work. Yep. There's not very much money and parts in this thing, but there is a lot of labor.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah. And the last project we have here is this is a project that I took on to do the motor and tranny and twin turbo kit and stuff on. Another shop actually built it, painted it, did the interior, and they outsourced the motor stuff to us. What we're working with here is actually a Thompson Dart Block. I fucked that up. Dart Block.
It's a Dart Block.
It's a Dart Block blah, blah. No. Okay, that's fucked. No, it's a Dart Block. God damn it. Take 3. Maybe this side? Yeah. You think this is gonna...
Well, they're fucking making noise.
Oh, tell them to shut the fuck up over there.
Hey, shut your fucking pie holes, bitches!
No work while we're filming.
Then he'll complain about that later. Watch.
You gotta pretend. You gotta at least pretend. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, being a boss, right? Indecisiveness. Okay, so it's a Dart Block based 427 6-bolt motor. It's got Frankenstein F110 heads on it. Really nice pieces. Commotion custom camshaft, and it's actually getting twin comp 76 turbos. Fucking fuck that up too. It's been a while. Gotta knock the rust off this filming shit a little bit, huh? Mm-hmm. Alright, it's got a badass 4L80 that we're putting in it, a PTC converter, and it's getting Holley Terminator X Max also. Obviously it's kind of a trend around here, but it seems really hard to get them right now because everyone's buying them with their stimulus checks.
Panic buying.
God damn it.
At least they're not buying toilet paper.
Speed is what we sell at Jessie Performance.
Fuck Corona.
Just like our outros. No, fuck!
Fuck Corona. Just like our outros.
Alright, go ahead.
Well, that too. Alright.
Oh, I feel like that should be the end. Right there. Bam, done.
No.
That's why there's bloopers.
Speed is what we sell, just like our outros.
Fuck Corona.
Bidets are better than toilet paper and toilet paper shortage.
Ozzy Osbourne bit the head off a bat. He didn't get Corona.
Like,
comment,
subscribe. Bitches!
Making their way the only way they know how.
Yeah, is that still a thing? Is toilet paper still a thing?
Depends on what store you go to. It's fucking stupid.
Yeah?
But now it's like Clorox wipes.
you're fucking stupid.
Me? Or the camera?
The people buying toilet paper in bulk.
I mean, if shit gets bad at my house, like,
Monkey see, monkey do. That's the answer.
But like,
So long t-shirt, like
you buy like, yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
buy
Like
85 rolls
Yeah,
of toilet
yeah.
paper for no reason.
piece out underwear.
Grass.
Like, it's not like Corona makes you shit yourself. Like, that would be a
Just wipe your ass
plausible
with
reason.
your
Does it?
No, it doesn't. That's,
doesn't?
that's what I'm getting at. Like, why the fuck are you buying 90 rolls of toilet paper?
Oh, here's a hack trick for everybody. Shit then shower. No
Yeah.
toilet paper needed.
Or even take a step farther and get a bidet.
Okay. What you do in your free time, Gabe?
What's a bidet?
So
It's
in
where it
Europe,
sprays
they-
your butthole.
In Europe, they have
Oh,
a
that's the
toilet.
super squirter for your Cornwallis.
It's think about this, right? Like when you do dishes, right? You don't just wipe the plate off and reuse it. You wash it. Think of it as like your butthole. You don't just wipe your butthole before you use it again. You wash it.
Gabe
Is there
Gabe
soap?
is sponsored by a bidet. It's like using a water gun.
Yeah, I get that, but like
I wouldn't do it.
the amount of pressure would actually take like to get
Clean it? No. It's
to get
just kinda-
dingleberries out of a
It just
hairy
kinda- it kinda
cornhole.
It's like a low-powered pressure washer for your anus.
It just kind of gets the crack moist.
Do they have like different spray nozzles you
Yeah.
can get? Like if you're like a
Some of
bigger.
them are like,
Like
heated,
the hot
you can adjust
seat.
the temperature of it. Like,
Oh really?
Yeah.
It's that would be a terrible joke, huh? Could you
like-
imagine getting your cornhole burnt by a bidet?
I feel like we should move on now. Talking about bidets.
Okay, here's your option. Bidet conversation or grinder conversation.
Ooh. They both go hand in hand.
Ooh, yeah. Oh boy.
You gotta have a bidet before you go to grind.
Hopefully you're bideting before you're grinding. Bidet before grind.
It's gonna be a hashtag now. We're gonna be famous.
If we get famous off of that and nothing else we've ever done,
Fuck
quit.
it.
Yeah.